Hey guys, welcome. It's New Year's Eve, and we're all together. We're celebrating the end to this year, right? Because guys, there's many different calendar years we honor, right? We're multidimensional. There's beginnings and endings everywhere you look. 2022, guys, 2022. Now, tonight, we're honoring self-care. We did a lot for Christmas. So we're going to order some vegan food, and we've been trying a lot of different vegan takeout places to broaden our horizons, and we're going to do that tonight. You know, we're going to do a little bit of celebrating. We're having a juice party. Guys, I love you. I love you. Thanks for joining in here to heal, harmonize, and raise the vibes. Thanks for being a part of School for the Fool. I love you guys. Let's have some fun. Let's ring in the new year together, unified. I'm so excited for 2022.
Hey everybody, it's me, Ethan. No, so I got my corn dog here.
Yeah.
Now, I have not tried mustard in a long time, but I finally get to put this on my corn dog. We got this from a fast food place. No, it's DoorDash.
Wow.
Amazing.
We also got this, looks like Nicole's shiitake mushroom burger with a vegan Caesar salad. That's a vegan Caesar salad. You can tell by the cheese. All right, and then let's look here. We got the Nicole's second dish, because Nicole gets two dishes all the time. That's her thing. So she got this vegan bowl. Looks like a big salad. Got some chickpeas, kale, beets, carrots. Great.
That's a midnight snack waiting to happen.
And we go over here to look at this. Now, what is this? I don't even know what this is.
First of all, no styrofoam.
This is the rice that goes with my curry, I imagine. Oh, no.
Which styrofoam should be illegal?
Wait, did I not get a curry?
That's Mom's po' boy.
Oh, wait, so this... Wait, I might have gotten hooped. Or is this the curry?
That's the
Okay,
curry.
that's the curry that goes with the rice and the vegetables. I thought it was going to come in a different container, but you know what? We're still good. Yeah, this is yours. For sure.
Oh, wow.
Wow, beautiful. Wow. This is Jen's bowl.
What did I order? I forget.
A little some type of beef bowl, but it's not beef.
Oh, I think it's a peanut satay.
Yeah, peanut satay.
Yeah.
And then this is Mom's po' boy with the Caesar salad. Look at that.
Looks yummy.
That looks like a meal right there. Wow.
Hey guys, also
Amazing.
Vegan food never looks so good.
and look at my corn dog.
Everything
I
is
would take a
vegan,
bite
by the
of it,
way.
but it's
Even the
pretty good.
corn dog. Even the corn dog.
Look at this hoagie.
So funny, right?
How does it
These
taste?
Mushrooms,
Put
lettuce,
this down here like that.
onions,
I'm gonna put this in the
pickles.
highest
Oh
spot
my
in
gosh.
room.
This is so
Put it
thick.
on the lowest part
Let me try it.
of the house.
What do you mean?
I see how it.
Mmm.
What do you mean? It's good.
Mmm. Very, very good. Amazing.
Excellent.
This is good.
Biscuit's hanging out with Kermit.
It's pretty funny.
Oh, looks beautiful, buddy.
All right, let's have the first
These
bite.
mushrooms are incredible.
Gotta get in. So I'm pretty sure those are like pickled vegetables.
Yeah. Yours looks pretty good.
How was it, buddy?
Good Penang curry. I love Thai food, and the fact that it's done like vegan, it's pretty good because it tastes just like normal Thai food, and just a different meat. Pretty good.
What about you, Ethan?
I've not even tasted it, but I like ketchup and mustard. Time to take a big breath. Wow.
All right, guys, I'm going to try one of my dishes right now. One of them.
Oh my, whoa.
That was incredible.
Let's get some beets.
I didn't want to take the off
Beets are good for the blood.
I wanted just to make it at the top.
Mm-mm.
To eat it more better.
That's amazing. So good. So fresh. Guys, this is the way to ring in 2020. Okay? Feeling good.
2022, you mean?
2020. Guys, no, let's not do 2020. Flash forward. We're going to 2022.
Or 2022. It's fun girl with dark eyes.
Pet him. Are you being a sucky mom? Dog love, dog love. All right, guys, we're ready to go outside. We're gonna go check it out. And then we're gonna come inside. We're gonna do a little bit of dancing and ring in the new year.
Yep.
Thank you guys for joining us for dinner. Ooh, it's the cold one. The stars are out, guys. What a fantastic night, everyone. These two are the first two out. Max is in my bed.
Almost time! Happy New Year, son! Almost time!